So first you want to do is open up Publisher or Words, whatever you're using. You can follow these steps and use them in Words. So what you want to do is insert shape, which will be a square. And then you want to change the size. So the height will be 1.7 and the width will be 2.13. Now I'm going to change my shape fill to no fill. And now I have my lip balm template. So you want to save, and you're going to save as and change it to lip balm template and save it wherever you want to save it. I already have mine created. Now you can begin to design them however you want. So you want to insert your pictures. These are good for parties, promotional items. No matter what kind of party you're having, any wrap is good for them. So let me locate my photos that I want to use. These are not PNG images. As you can see, they both have the white background. So what I'm going to do is try to remove the white background. Sometimes this works, sometimes this doesn't. So let's give it a go. Okay. So what I did is format. Make sure the picture is highlight, format, and you go to recolor and you just go to set transparent color and you click on the color you want removed. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. As you can see, this actually took out all the white. So the white that was actually in the lip, but it still looks good, so I'm going to use it. You can print several of these on a sheet. So I'm going to use these little lips on both of them. I'm going to insert a barcode just because I love for my things to look similar to the package, including the little barcode and whatever little odd thing may be on the label. Insert some writing. It's this font that I have that actually like drips a little bit. Hopefully I can find it. I don't remember the name, so. No, I don't. So let me go here. With the draw text box, it actually shows you what the font looks like rather than when you use the word art. So I just came here to try to find the font that I need. I really need to make me a little font printout of the names and how all the font looks. That takes too much time. Well, it looks like I can't find the font I am looking for, so. So once you design your lip balm, however you want it. You want to make sure that you save as or save, which will be your master copy, so you can come back and make any changes necessary. So you want to go to File, Save As, find the location you want to save it, and type in a different name so you're not saving over your master lip balm template. So I'm going to create a whole new folder, and I'm going to label it chapstick. Infinite open, and then we're going to label it VH dripping. And we're going to save. So now we have our master copy to work with anytime we need to come and make any changes. So say the customer likes this design, but now they want it in green. So you'll just come back, open it up, change out the colors. It's an easy fix, and it's also fast money. So once you have it designed just like the customer wants or however you want it, before sending it to get printed or printing it yourself, you want to save it as a PDF file. And the reason you're saving it as a PDF file so the customer can make any changes and you know exactly how it will print. So what you see on your screen is exactly what you will get from the printer. So you just click to where you want to save it at, chapstick, and then I'll just change the save as type to PDF, save, and now I have my PDF copy, and then I also have my publisher or words copy wherever you're creating it at, and make any changes you may need. Thank you guys for watching. Happy crafting.